Hello students. Today I am going to deal with a poem. The title of poem is Garden Snake, which is composed by Mariel L. Sohn. So children, you know about the snake. There is a variety of snakes. You have seen them here and there nearby your houses or near the farm. So even some of you have seen the fighting of snake and the mongoose also. But here is something different. Prospect is going to be told by the poet what he has experienced, and he in this poem he wants to tell it that don't be afraid of snakes because all of them are not dangerous. Some of them are very harmless. So in this poem he is about to talk about garden snake, which is a type of harmless snake, kind of snake. So now let's read the poem. I saw a snake and ran away. Some snakes are dangerous, they say, but mother says that kind is good and eats up insects for his food. So when he wiggles in the grass, I'll stand aside and watch him pass and tell myself there is no mistake, it's just a harmless garden snake. So now the poet is telling about a small incident which happens with him and with a snake, which was a garden snake, and that was not type of dangerous type of snake. So when I saw a snake, the poet is telling here, I saw a snake and ran away, as you usually do. Whenever you see a snake, you get terrified and you ran away from the sight. Likewise, this happens with the poet. Okay, and when he saw a snake, he ran away from there. Okay, some snakes are dangerous, they say, as because I have heard uh, from the people saying who were saying that some snakes are very dangerous. So this matter was in my mind, and I was thinking the same, that this snake could be very dangerous. So I got terrified and I ran away. But mother says that kind is good. But my mother told me that don't be afraid of it. It is not a dangerous kind of snake. It is a good kind of snake, and it is harmless for you. So this type of snake, which by which you are getting terrified, this is just it takes some insects as a food. So it eats up insects for his food. So when he wiggles in the grass, I'll stand aside and watch him pass. So when I heard the saying of my mother that she is telling that this is a harmless snake and it will not hurt you, then I became a little confident, and I stood up there and I began to watch where it was going, and it entered into garden, and it wiggles in the grass means movement, body movement. Okay, means wobbles, wriggles. Okay, so it wriggles into the grass means walk by with doing some movement, that is wiggle. So when he wiggles in the grass means when it moved towards or moved into the grass, I'll stand aside and watch him pass. So I stood there and I began to watch it. Okay, uh, and tell myself, and I told myself what he told to himself. Let's see. There is no mistake. It's just a harmless garden snake. So it was not a mistake. Means my mother was correct what she was telling, and I was terrified by it. But it was my natural instinct that I got terrified by it. but really it was not my mistake, and what the mother has told me, it was really true. So it's just because it's just a harmless garden snake, because it was just a harmless, means it was the harmless snake, it was the garden snake, so it has no poison within it. So I felt relaxation after knowing it, after watching it. So this is all about the poetry. Dear students, I think that you all enjoyed it well. Okay, thank you.